गुड मॉर्निंग। तो सुबह हो चुकी है। रात में बताशे खाने के बाद खाना वाना खाया और सो गए। अब सुबह हो चुकी है। मेरे को निकलना है अगले 1 घंटे में यहाँ से। आई हैव टू लीव दिस एरिया, दिस होम एट इन 1 hour and I have to reach Farmania up to 1 o'clock. So I'm going to pack my all the luggage and I am feeling hungry. Going to eat food. Goodbye. So I just leave this room and now I am going outside. There is a too much hot, I know. It's to 11:45 around. And now see. Oh my god. It's too much hot. Now I have to walk for some time for bus. Oh shucks. Oh worry. चलिए मिलते हैं, बताते हैं आपको क्या है हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप। अल्लाह हाफिज़। आई लव दिस ट्रैवल, आई जस्ट लव दिस ट्रैवल, बट आई डोंट लाइक दिस समर, आई डोंट लाइक दिस हॉटनेस। Actually, I can go by taxi, but taxi will take around 6 kd, 7 kd, maybe 8 kd. So it's around 2000 rupees. And if I choose bus, so it takes only around 40 and 50 rupees, and maybe 60-70 rupees, not more than. So today I am traveling like by walk, then bus, but one day time will change. One day time will change, then I will add this video on that particular video, then you can see my difference, how I am traveling previously, how I am doing now, and what is in future. Everything you will see, inshallah. Time will change one day. So now I am at bus stop and I am waiting for my bus. I don't know when they come. I'm just waiting. So now I am in a bus. I just wait around 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So I feel relaxed now. Now this journey is around 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes as per traffic. Let's see. I can show you the weather outside, but it's not good. It's just hot and hot. So now I reached Farmania. Now I have to walk a little bit because this bus is going this side and I have to go this side. I have to walk around 500 meter, just like आधा किलोमीटर in Hindi. So now I have to take some of my bags from my old home. This time I am not changing my room. Actually, my Kullu room partner, my owner, is changing this room, so I have to go with them. So I'm going to take my azan. I will talk after some time. So I reached my old home, but I think there is no one. Maybe my some luggage is there. So let's see. So this is my new place. I'm shifting here and see. Are they good? Look good? Clean? Not clean. This is not clean, but it's good enough. And now I'm going to my office. This is my building. There is no name for this building. As I was saying, Marianne making a very good food, but we are never eat. So she taking this statement very seriously, and today we are going to eat this one. What is the name, Marianne?
Pancit.
Pancit. We can say noodles. Yeah, we can say noodles. So I'm going to start. तो मैंने चने भिगो के रखे हैं इस छोटे से बॉक्स में. कुछ दिनों बाद इनके पर निकल आएंगे. I mean, इनकी जड़ें निकल आएंगी और ये भीगे भीगे चने मैं खाऊंगा आराम से. मैंने यहाँ रख दिया अपनी शॉप पे. So now I'm going to eat this Kellogg's with milk like this. It's Kellogg's, there is a milk. I'm going to eat. Let's see. So I am ready for work. I am in my compartment and I am waiting for Dr. Rami. He will come very soon. Firstly, he will go to pick up Marianne. She lives just near to my building. Then he will come to pick me. See, I will show you where Marianne lives. See, these three buildings, 1, 2, and 3. So the middle one, there is Marianne. Then he will come like this, and there he will pick me from here. But I know he will definitely late. Definitely. Because firstly he drops some persons from office, then he will come to drop me. That's why he will late little bit. Shukran, Dr. Rami. So guys, I want to tell you one thing. There are so many YouTubers who is making a vlog on food. There is a lots of people are making it in different ways. I know one YouTuber. She's damn good. She's damn good. She is making very interesting vlogs on food. You have to see. You should see. Go and watch her vlogs. I am mentioning her channel name in my description. There's a link. Just go and check her vlogs and subscribe her channel and support her. It's damn good. She's damn good. She's making very different type of vlogs. You should watch. Bye bye.